Now let's talk format. The DLAB is a 2-hour multiple-choice test with a total of 126 questions. These questions are split between two key sections, the audio section and the visual section. In the audio section, you'll hear sentences in a made-up language. Your goal is to identify patterns and grammar rules. It may sound tricky, but the focus here is on recognizing how sentence structures work, even if you don't understand the words. In the visual section, you'll be working with symbols or unfamiliar words, matching them to rules that you've never seen before. The visual section tests how well you can adapt to new grammar rules and patterns by recognizing how symbols are arranged. Both sections are designed to test how quickly you can grasp the structure of unfamiliar languages, which is crucial for anyone looking to work in a linguistic or intelligence role. Let's quickly recap the format of the DLAB. Total questions 126. Duration 2 hours. Sections audio and visual. Now that you know the format, you're better equipped to prepare. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and insights on the DLAB.